So this is Tom and Mark McCawley. Today we're going to talk about the signs and symptoms of gum disease. So I'm going to let Dr. Mark McCawley cover those.
All right, thank you so much. So yeah, as far as gum disease goes, there's several main signs that'll kind of give it away that you've got something going on. And the first thing you're going to notice, red puffy gums. So that's number one. If you've got red puffy gums, there's something wrong there. And it's like anything else. If you've got, a swollen finger, there's something going on. It's not right. Same thing happens with your gums. Also, bleeding gums. That kind of comes along with that red puffiness because that's all inflammation there. And around gums, they get soggy, they get soft, and they do start to bleed. Same thing. If all of a sudden you have, a bleeding ulcer on your arm, you'd say, okay, there's something wrong. I need to go to the doctor. Same thing with bleeding gums.